tired of losing potential customers because of an outdated or lackluster website for your tree trimming business? Look no further, because SpringHive is here to help you grow your business with a user-focused website design. At SpringHive, we understand the importance of having a website that accurately represents your business and attracts customers. Our team of experts will work with you to create a website that is both visually appealing and easy to navigate. We know that first impressions are crucial. Contact us today at 1-888-230-2372 or email us at hello@springhive.net to schedule a consultation. We can't wait to help you take your business to the next level.